Welcome to World Wonder Wednesday with Skillsets Connect. Today we're heading to the dry deserts of Peru to uncover one of the most mysterious creations in history, the Nazca lines. But here's the big question. Why were they made? Let's dive in. Imagine looking down from the sky and seeing massive drawings of animals, plants, and strange geometric shapes etched into the ground over 2,000 years ago. That's exactly what the Nazca lines are. Found in southern Peru, these enormous geoglyphs stretch across the desert, some as long as a football field. There are over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal and plant designs, including a giant hummingbird, a monkey, and even what looks like a human figure waving. But here's the crazy part. You can only see them properly from the sky. So why would the Nazca people, an ancient civilization, create massive designs that can only be fully seen from above? Historians and archaeologists have come up with a few fascinating theories. Some experts believe the Nazca lines were designed to align with the stars and planets, acting as a giant celestial map. Others think they were used for religious ceremonies or offerings to the gods, especially since the region rarely gets rain. Since the Nazca civilization lived in a desert, some believe the lines were sacred paths used to pray for water and good harvests. And of course, there's the wildest theory that these massive drawings were made for or by extraterrestrials as some sort of message or landing strip. What do you think? Were the Nazca lines a giant star map, religious symbols, or maybe even alien signals? Drop your theory in the comments below. Here's something mind-blowing. The Nazca lines have been perfectly preserved for thousands of years because it almost never rains in this part of Peru. But even though they've lasted this long, they're at risk of being damaged by modern human activity. Conservation efforts are now in place to protect these ancient wonders for future generations. Did you guess the right theory? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you could travel back in time to see an ancient wonder being built, which one would it be? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a World Wonder Wednesday. See you next time for more incredible discoveries. Love learning about history's greatest wonders? At Skillsets Connect, we make education exciting with interactive lessons, fun facts, and hands-on activities. Try it. Free today. Link in the description.